Heyo boss, and welcome back. Today's chef has a special video. A special shout out to a dear YouTuber friend of his. This is Albert, and this is his channel, Spain on a Fork. Authentic, delicious Spanish food from his home country of Spain. Chef and him talk, they share videos. He's just one of the nicest guys, and Chef went ahead and picked up some of his merch, as you can see, and he picked out the music for today and the food and the dish, and he did everything for Albert because he really loves his channel. He has over 100,000 subscribers. Albert, you're crushing it. So today this one's for you. Chef is cooking up some calamari. He thinks you're going to really enjoy it. This has a little bit of an Italian twist to it, which we think you'll like. He's going to show us how to make a Calamari Parmesan sub. Let's get cooking. First thing you're going to do is heat up some oil to about 350 degrees. Of course, Chef said use fresh oil. But if you don't have a fryer like this, you can just use a regular saute pan. Next up, pick up some calamari. If you could pick it up fresh, that's okay. If you got to buy it frozen, that's no problem at all. Chef's using frozen, but he let it thaw. You always got to make sure it's thawed, he said. Now, there are tentacles, but Chef's not going to use those in the video. He's going to cook them up. First thing he said is wash the calamari and then pat it dry. After that, we're going to go ahead and cut these into rings. Of course, Chef's using his porcelain knife, which he stands by. Now, you don't want to cut them too much smaller than what Chef's doing, but you can cut them larger if you'd like. That's totally up to you. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. Of course, Albert's channel as well, so make sure you check that out. In a large bowl, we're going to start off with some all-purpose flour and then add our seasonings. Chef's going to start off with some salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and then some paprika. But feel free to use what other seasonings you would like. Give these a thorough whisk there with your fork. And then go ahead after that and just drop your calamari pieces right in and mix them around. Now, Chef did toy with the notion of make this kind of more of a Parmesan dish, including like breading them with breadcrumbs like chicken parm, but he decided to just stick with the flour to keep the calamari light. But it's something we may do in the future. We may bread these up like a chicken parm almost and see how that comes out. So once they're fully coated and your oil's heated up, just give them a little bit of a shake and then place them right in your pan. Of course, you want that oil right around 350 to get a good fry. Drop these in and cook them for about 60 to 90 seconds. You don't want to overdo it because they can get rubbery. And there's Chef. Albert, we give you a big shout out. Albert, we love you. Chef absolutely loves you and loves your channel. Go ahead and bring them up. Give them a little bit of a shake. Get some of that oil down there. And place them on a plate with a paper towel and just keep cooking the rest of them up. Okay, so Chef has a sub roll he put down on a oven-safe pan there. He's going to place his calamari right on top. And then just a little bit of sauce right down the middle. Alright, after they've been sauced, go ahead and add your shredded mozzarella, your fresh mozzarella on top. And then you can just dress this up with some parsley. You're going to go ahead and put this right in the oven, or Chef's little oven there. Put this on broil, and then just watch it. Now, Chef's wife isn't a big fan of calamari. Sorry. However, Chef's little man, his little Goomba, his little Mafia Italian jumpsuit there, he's coming here to check things out. Let's see if he likes it. Oh, little man. It's okay. We'll work on that. We still love you. Okay, so Chef went ahead and took his sandwich out there, his sub, and he's going to now add his Parmesan cheese. Chef said if you want to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese before it goes in the oven or after, totally up to you. Now, Chef normally doesn't eat on camera, but for Spain, he said he will. And he did love it. He did love it, he said. Yeah. So there it is. There's a good little picture of our classic calamari Parmesan sub. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you do try this out. It was really delicious and came out great. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, of course. Check us out. Check out some of our videos. Check out down below Albert's channel. Check him out. Subscribe. You'll find some amazing dishes. And don't forget, everyone, And Albert, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.